Yo. Ooh. So today we're just loading the van up now for something a bit special. So we haven't raced for a while, but we got asked the other day if we could use the cart for someone's prom. So just giving it a bit of a clean, get it in, shoot from work tomorrow, drop them off and have some fun. So we had a month.
I know my limits, you can break me down, but I'll stay till the finish line. And I've been counting minutes for quite some time now, just to see you again.
So yeah, after a few weeks hard racing, including a couple of firsts, getting some, we had to obviously get it cleaned up. It had to look its best for today. I know we keep saying it, but we only use Power Maxed. Obviously, don't forget, you can get a discount online with that. We use the Tire Shine, we use their fantastic smelling shampoo, and then we go over the bodywork with Quick Detailer. And then that pretty much does it really. Looks good, doesn't it? So we were lucky enough to have the cart at home, so once we got it cleaned up, we could put it straight back into the back of the van. Like I said, normally we store it somewhere else, but we were fortunate that it were at home, so it made it easier.
Yeah, hold on then. I'll wait.
At this point I requested if I could do a bit of a chem block, but I was told no.
I need you now more than ever. I wanna run like we don't look back.
So yeah, obviously nothing spectacular in this vlog, it's only a short one, but it's good to keep us content going. Good to show you something a bit different. It was nice to help a young lad out at a prom. These proms are getting younger and younger these days. And obviously it also helps the Stoxkart formula. Gets the sponsors about and gives us an excuse to give it a clean up and make sure that it were all good as well. Didn't take long out of our day, but it was great to see so many people who've clearly never seen such as a Stoxkart before get to see one. Obviously in Barnsley there's not many people I'm sure that's come across a Stoxkart before, so it was good to show our formula off, our sponsors off, and get out and about. Good to help anyone as well. If anyone else ever wants a Stoxkart for anything such as that, then we're happy to help. But yeah, just thought we'd show you a little bit behind what we do. Our next vlog guys is the track day vlog of the Ibiza. And then we have that racing in August in the Stoxkarts. Thanks for watching.
TR race about the following. Main sponsors Betty Surf, Northern Wood Tuning, Liquid Molly, Autotech in Barnsley, Power Max, GME and Coopers.